a plan for a rainy day field trip. Gross. No way I'm going out in that rain. It'll wreck my fur do. Come on, let's go.
Okay, Butterball, see you after school, big fella. Oh, sweet mama.
Psst, Butterball. We're on a journey of ginormous proportions.
I'm about to eat some ginormous proportions myself. I'll see you guys later.
Butterball, there's no time for breakfast.
Haley.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
What are those dogs doing?
Oh,
Haley. Haley, what are they doing? What are they doing, Haley? What are they doing? It's okay. Are you scared?
Haley's shaking.
Are you shaking? Haley's shaking. What are you scared about, Haley? What's scary? What? It's okay. What's scary? Are you cold because you had a bath today?
Sorry, I didn't
What's the matter, lover?
Stop. It didn't scare me. I was just busted in a mood. What's
Crazy
in
dog.
acting home, dogs? Yeah, sure. But Buddha sure is excited about it.
Pierce,
All I can say is it's going to be a
what's wrong with Haley?
Buddha soggy bowl.
Do you like Space Buddies, Pierce?
Yeah.
I love you, Pierce.
Thank you.